guys. You know, Ruby is a great way that I'm trying to get half of my fruits and vegetables down in a day, but the other half comes through food. And so today I wanted to make little quiche bites. So these will be great for on the go, in the morning especially, but you can really use them anytime you want. So I thought I'd make those today. So here I go. I'm gonna take 6 eggs. Let's put this one over here. So I'm gonna whisk the eggs here. And I like to put a little chef's choice in those. If you have salt and pepper, or if you've got some chef's choice, this always is a good little seasoner. So next I'm gonna take my freeze-dried vegetables here for my little quiche cups. And I'm just gonna take 1/3 of a cup and put them in my bag. Now the reason I like red bell peppers is because they are high in vitamin C, B6, and they help your vision. And at my age, I need every help I can get with vision. Next I'm gonna do mushrooms. Mushrooms are very high in antioxidants. Actually, all of these vegetables are very high in antioxidants, and it helps your immune system. So this winter, when you're looking for a vegetable that will help you with your immune system, mushrooms are it. Next, I've got broccoli. Broccoli is going in, and it's full of fiber and folic acid. And then we've got our onions, and onions help you control your blood sugars as well as digestive health. So if you have issues with digestion, onions can be your friend. So we're gonna just take those and put them in a Ziploc bag like that. And then what I like to do, because I like all my pieces to be small, is really just kind of break these pieces up so that they're nice and small. So I just really get the pieces to smaller pieces, and I love this because you don't have to chop, wash, peel, anything. You just put it in the Ziploc bag, and if you want them in smaller pieces, then you do this. And it's so easy. Next, all we're gonna do is take our vegetables and we're gonna put them in our egg mixture. Just like that. And from there, they'll rehydrate in these eggs. So we're just gonna get them nice, and I wanna get my vegetables coated really well in the egg. And I'm gonna let these sit in the egg mixture for 1 to 2 minutes. Most of this freeze-dried fruits and vegetables will really come back to life right away through rehydration or water, or if you have an egg mixture like this, it just comes right back to life. So that's all ready to go. Now the last couple things I'm gonna add in are just stuff I have left over in the refrigerator from the holidays. I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese in there. Cheese is a nice protein. And then I have some bacon. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of bacon in there too. Let me show you what that looks like. There's all your veggies, some bacon, and your cheese. And it's ready to go in the muffin tin. So you get your muffin tin out. I've got the little mini muffins right here. I'm gonna you want to fill that about halfway full. All right, they are all done. After 10 minutes, they're done. So adjust your time. But I think because these are so little, you only want to do them for 10 minutes.